Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So today in this video we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities for multiple batches. So make sure to watch the complete video. But before proceeding further in the video, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed our channel till now, then guys please make sure to subscribe. It will really motivate me to make more such content for you, and also the channel will be helpful for you to stay updated with all the job opportunities, placement related stuff, coding, and all such material. Make sure to subscribe our channel and join our Telegram community as well. The link for the Telegram channel is in the description. Right. So I hope that part is clear. So let's talk about our first opportunity, that is from Wipro. So you can see that they have started hiring for Work Integrated Learning Program 2022. So this is WILP hiring from Wipro. Let's understand the education now. So you need 10th standard pass, 12th standard pass. In graduation, you need 60% or 6.0 CGPA and above as applicable by the university guidelines. Year of passing 2020, 2021, 2022. My voice can be little low as I'm not feeling well, right? So thought to mention that. In qualification, they have asked for Bachelor of Computer Application, that is BCH eligible, Bachelor of Science, BSc eligible streams are Computer Science, Information Technology, Mathematics, Statistics, Electronics, and Physics. Right, coming to the evaluation process now. So first you have to do the registration, then assessment will be there, then business discussion, and then you will be getting your offer letter. Let's understand the designation now. So here the designation is going to be scholar trainee. They have provided a stipend details, so you can just have a look on that to get a proper understanding regarding this stipend, right? Other benefits that you are going to get from this opportunity is AmTech degree fully sponsored by Wipro, group life insurance of INR 14 lakhs PA, group personal accident cover of INR 12 lakhs PA. Service agreement is there. So on joining, candidates would be required to sign a service agreement for 60 months. Additional criteria is there that mandatory to have studied core mathematics as one subject in graduation. Business maths and applied maths will not be considered as core mathematics in graduation. Maximum of 3 years of education gap, if any, is allowed between 10th and graduation. No gaps are allowed in graduation. Graduation should be completed within 3 years. Education should be regular, full time in 10th, 12th, and graduation recognized by Central State Board of India. Maximum of one active backlog till the interview stage. Also, offers will be meted out subject to all backlog clearance. Okay, so let's understand about online assessment now. So you need 80 minutes will be given to you regarding online assessment. Aptitude test will be there, consisting of verbal, analytical, quantitative. Each section has 20 minutes, like in which you will be having 20 questions. Then there's a written communication test that will be of 20 minutes. Upon selection in the online assessment, candidates will be required to go through business discussion round. Okay, so that's what the process is. Also, there is a note that candidates who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in last 3 months are not eligible. It will solely be at the discretion of Wipro to permit participation of any candidate. The last date to apply is 7th of February 2022. So make sure to apply before that. Online assessment to be communicated later. So here's the next opportunity, that is from Yahoo. Yahoo is hiring for the role of software engineering intern. This is the location is going to be Bangalore. Full-time opportunity it is. Right, so coming to the job description, so this position will be part of the production engineering team that manages, maintains, and supports production system. Should be able to manage the scale at Yahoo, manages and maintains large-scale production system, responsible for 24/7, 365 uptime, availability of critical system. Right, knowledge of any scripting language like a Shell, Perl, Python, PHP. The candidate need to demonstrate troubleshooting skills at the time at the system and services, utilize strong analytical and problem skills to diagnose, resolve system and application issues, document processes, systems and their associated configuration. Qualification you need is actively enrolled in bachelor's or master programs. So this opportunity is for 2022 batch as well as for 2023 batch as well. Your typical day. So here they have included all the points. You should be having experience with MySQL. RDBMS concept is a strong plus. So this is not mandatory, but it is going to be an advantage for RDBMS. Experience in supporting cloud-based application is also going to be a plus. Right, effective oral and written communication skills are a must. Experience with Linux, Unix administrative task is required. Good knowledge of scripting, Shell, Perl, The candidate must be able to demonstrate in troubleshooting techniques and problem diagnosis and resolution. Right. So let's talk about the next opportunity now. So here's our next opportunity from DHL. DHL is hiring for graduate hiring, development, testing, consulting, and support. The location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, right? So here you can see the eligibility criteria: Bachelor in Engineering, Computer Science, Triple E, EC, BTech, IT, MCA, MSc, BSc Computer Science students are eligible with aggregate CGPA not less than 60% in graduation. Year of passing 2022 is only eligible. In strong communication skills you need. Role is provide IT solutions that involve development, testing, consulting, and support as required for business units. Added advantage is that any certification in programming language and tools, good in technical skills like Java, JavaScript, HTML, SQL, PLSQL, database concepts. Now coming to the selection process, so there will be an online assessment consisting of aptitude, logical, numerical, English, and two-level coding. Group discussion or presentation skills will be there, then technical interview, then HR discussion, and offer process will be there. So if you're interested in this opportunity, then apply for this opportunity, right? So now let's talk about our next opportunity. So here's our next opportunity from Salesforce. Salesforce is hiring for software engineering intern, right? So this opportunity is for 2023 batch. Now let's explore further about this opportunity. So here they have provided the job details. So you can just go through it. So this is an amazing opportunity for 2023 batch. Make sure to apply for it. The link for all these job roles is provided in the description, so you can just check it from there. So make sure to apply. Also guys, do share this video among your friends as well, so that even they can know about these opportunities. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.